Welcome to another video from Oklahoma City University's Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. In this video, we're going to discuss effective organization of course content in D2L. Organizing your content well can make a big difference in how students engage with and understand your course material. First, let's talk about units. Units are the highest level of organization in D2L and typically represent major topics or modules within your course. For example, if you are teaching a history course, you could use units for weekly content, and the Week 1 unit could cover the American Revolution. Next, we have subunits. Subunits are subdivisions of units and are used to break down larger topics into more manageable sections. For instance, within the American Revolution unit, you might create subunits for key battles and important figures. Finally, we have pages. Pages are individual content pages within units or subunits and are used for specific lessons, readings, or activities. For example, within the subunit on key battles, you might have pages for each battle with detailed information and resources. This hierarchical structure helps students navigate your course more easily and find the information they need quickly, no matter the modality or the device used to access the course. Organizing your course content using units, subunits, and pages can enhance student learning and engagement. We encourage you to think carefully and creatively about how you structure your course and use these tools effectively. Hopefully, this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning.